with dice, just like everything else. There's an app for that. Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are serious about the unserious. And in this channel we care for the geeky and playful parts of life. And we focus on the ones who not only consume but also create geek culture in one form or another. If you are a self-defining geek passionate about creating, this is the place for you. I'm Jon Back and I've been studying playful design for well over 10 years. And I even got so far as getting my PhD in the subject. So click on the subscribe button and click that little bell icon. That way you don't miss anything. There are many different dice rolling apps, but most of them are quite similar. You can add dice, remove dice, change which type of dice, and then you can roll the dice. And in this one, just as in many of them, you actually roll them by shaking your phone. In this series, we've seen a lot of different dice. From the oldest there are, 3000, 5000 BC, up until this, the most modern thing there is. And in all times, we've been using dice and dice-like artifacts to create random outcomes. And we've been using this to create play and games. And my guess is this will continue for a very, very long time. There is something to that physicality of throwing a dice. Even in these modern times when we have computers and virtual reality and all these things. These kind of apps still use shaking as a mechanism to throw the dice, to try to reenact what is happening in the real thing. There's something about that tangible feeling of holding chance in your hands and what you do besides the outcome, which is really hard to recreate in a virtual environment. And I'm pretty sure that we will use this for hundreds and thousands of years. Not least during the holidays, as is upcoming right now. And with that, I will wrap up this series for now. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, the playlist is over here. Go back and watch everything. And if you've been with me, and you want to see even more serious thoughts about unserious subjects during the next year, the subscribe button is over here. Go subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!